Hello, hi, I'm Siti from Smart Excel, where we are specialized in getting primary and secondary students to score the best in PSLE and GCE O-level examination. In this tutorial is P4, Chapter 2, Multiplication and Division, Question 4. Mary has two piggy banks, Bank A and Bank B. In Bank A, she has $15. In Bank B, she has $11. She wants to transfer some money from Bank B to Bank A so that in the end, Bank A has 20 more than Bank B. How much money should she transfer? Okay, in these questions, they talk about two banks, right? They have two banks, so Bank A, Bank B. So so we have two models, alright? So from here we draw two models, bank A, bank B. And in the bank A she has $15, whereas in your bank B she has $11. So you're gonna draw bank A 15 and your bank B 11. Okay, so this is done. She wants to transfer some money from bank A to bank B, or bank B to bank A. Okay, so she wants to transfer some money to here, and in the end your bank A has 20 more than your bank B, so there will be another model. So from here we know there's a before and after model. Okay, A and B, so you have before and after, but in the end your bank A will have 20 more than bank B, so it will be something like that, and we know this and these are equal. Okay, so this is done. They asked you how much is the transfer, this one. When you come to transfer questions, we need to let our child understand that the total before and the total after is the same. Maybe some of my students they cannot comprehend, so I need to give example. Maybe you can give example like you have $10, your daughter has $6 to say. So the total at the moment you and her is 16 plus 10, right? So it's 6 plus 10, so total is 16. But if let's say later on you give her $2, okay, you give her $2, get her to involve with the thinking and calculations. So when we give her $2, she will say that she now has 8, right? Because it's 6 plus 2. Then about you on your side, in our side we would have less, so it's 10 minus 2, that's 8. So with her 8 and our 8, so total is 16. So therefore when it comes to transfer, from here they be able to see and understand that the total before and after, before we give and after we give, will be equal. So from that concept of understanding this, they will know that the first step they must do is to find the total, which is 15 plus 11, which is 26. So this is 26. Okay, and this also will be 26. Okay, this is the first step. The first step they need to know when it comes to before and after model, alright, is the total before and after is equal. Alright, so that's number one. Number two, we need to identify the giver. Okay, need to identify the giver because you want to find how much must be given to A. In order to have that, maybe we can come back to our question again. Alright, to know how much just now, that how much money we give to our daughter, you must let them understand that they must know how much we have at first. Okay, which is 10 earlier, right? And how much in the end after we give, which is 8. So the amount of the difference between 10 and 8 is 2, right? So that 2 is the amount of money we give to the daughter, right? So that concept they need to know. So the next one they need to identify is who is the giver. In this question, they are talking about she wants to transfer from B to A. So therefore the giver is B. They need to know B at first, which they already know, 11. They need to know B in the end, which they don't know, but they can find out. So we're going to put here, identify giver. Okay. And your last one, you need to know your B at first, giver. May I put G for giver, okay? Giver before, sorry, maybe I erase, make it minus giver after. That will be the amount we give. So from here we already identify the giver. The giver, now we need to find this part. Okay, we don't know, but we can find out. Alright, so how do we get that part? We'll see that the total here is 26, right? 26 is all. Okay, all. So we need to minus off the 20. Alright, we minus off the 20. That will give us the 2 unit. And we need to find just the 1 unit. So the 2 unit, we can put it as 26 minus 20, which is 6. Therefore, your 1 unit is 6 divided by 2, which is 3. So from here, we know this is 3. Okay, now we already know the giver after, right? She after the bank B give bank A. So how much is the amount that's the bank B give? So it will be 11, the before, see, minus the after. So the before is 11, the after is 3, and that will give us 8. Alright, so I hope these questions, it takes some time. If you need some time to understand before you can actually explain to your child, it's good to replay the tutorial and understand. And I hope this explanation is clear enough for you to understand and able to answer your child at home. Alright, so I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.